Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see one very interesting topic, and that is dialogue between two friends. So why I am calling this as an interesting topic? Because these two friends, they are planning something for the weekend, some activity for the weekend. So surely this will be an interesting video, isn't it? Now we'll start with the video. Now there can be two male friends, two female friends, or one male, one female friend. There can be anything. Now we'll just name them as friend A and friend B. Now friend A is calling friend B and saying, "We gets dear," meaning, "How are you?" Now here you have to understand, if you are talking to someone informally, then you can use this dear, okay? Otherwise, if you are talking to someone like elderly person, or with respect you are talking to someone, then you have to use Z. There dear cannot be used, okay? So here in between friends, it is always informal talking, so you can use dear. Is this clear? Okay. So now coming to our dialogue, B will say, "Mir geht es gut und dir?" meaning I am doing good, and you? Just in short form you can ask und dir. Then A will say, "Auch gut," meaning also good, I am also doing good. Then A will continue with the conversation with "Lange nicht gesehen," meaning long time no see. Now sehen is a verb, it means to see. So lange nicht gesehen meaning long time no see. So this is very common phrase, okay? Now B will say, "Ja, das stimmt," meaning yes, that is true. We have not seen for a long time. Ja, das stimmt. Now A will ask B, "Hast du einen Plan für das Wochenende?" meaning, do you have any plan for the weekend? Now here you have to understand that Wochenende is a neutral noun, okay? It is not a feminine noun, because as it ends with E, you will think that it's a feminine noun, but it is not like that. Just like any other language, German also has few exceptions, and this is one of the few exceptions, right? Das Wochenende, it's a neutral noun. If you take just Woche, W-O-C-H-E, Woche meaning week, it means week, and the definite article will be die Woche. It's a feminine noun. But when it comes to Wochenende, it will be das Wochenende. Okay, is this clear? Right. Now coming to our dialogue. Now A is asking B that, "Do you have any plan for the weekend?" Then B will say, "Noch nicht entschieden," meaning not yet decided. Entschieden meaning decided. Noch nicht entschieden. So now A will ask B, "Können wir etwas für das Wochenende planen?" meaning, can we plan something for the weekend? Then B will say, "Ja, sicher," meaning yes, sure. Sicher meaning sure. Now A is giving B two options, okay, for the weekend. First option is, A is saying B or asking B, "Wir können einen Ausflug machen." Ausflug is outing. Now A is saying that we can go for outing. Wir können einen Ausflug machen. We can go for outing. Or we'll see the other option. Oder wir schauen uns einen Film an. Meaning, or we can watch a film together. Was denkst du? A is asking B. What do you think? Was denkst du? Denken is to think. Now B is saying, einen Film anzuschauen ist eine gute Idee. Meaning, watching a film is a good idea. Gute Idee. Gute Idee is a very commonly used phrase. It means good idea. Okay. Then A is saying to B that okay, then wir machen das. Okay, then we'll do that. Then again he is continuing, A is continuing with, ich hole dich ab am Samstag 17 Uhr ab. Meaning, I will pick you on Saturday at 5 p.m. Okay. Now here we are following 24 hours clock in German. This means I will pick you on Saturday at 5 p.m. Okay, 17 Uhr. And then they will end the conversation with, or conclude the conversation with, bis bald, see you later, tschüss, meaning bye. So this is a dialogue between two friends, very simple and basic dialogue we have seen. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel and share and like. Thank you and bye-bye.